Hello, kids! Today we're going to read a simple sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. Faith is going to school. Again. Faith is going to school. Your turn to read. A ball is round. Again. A ball is round. Your turn to read. My teacher is kind and happy. Again. My teacher is kind and happy. Your turn to read. My bag is color pink. Again. My bag is color pink. Your turn to read. I see a cat and a mouse. Again. I see a cat and a mouse. Your turn. I go to school every day. Again. I go to school every day. Their turn to read. He drives to work. Again. He drives to work. Your turn to read. We read books in the classroom. Again, we read books in the classroom. Your turn to read. We want to go in a mall. Again, we want to go in a mall. Your turn to read. He runs in the park. Again, he runs in the park. Your turn to read. They are riding bicycles. Again, they are riding bicycles. Your turn to read. Let's read together, kids. Kate is going to school. A ball is round. My teacher is kind and happy. My bag is color pink. I see a cat and a mouse. I go to school every day. He drives to work. We read books in the classroom. We want to go in a mall. He runs in the park. They are riding bicycles. Did you enjoy our lesson for this day? See you on my next class. Goodbye.